Water jet machine, WJF. So what is a water jet machine? Let's explore it. Hello, I am Muhammad Azri bin Azmi, and case number AP210245, and I am the student year 2 at Education. The water jet machine, WJF, is an advanced, not conventional machine process wherein a water jet is fired at a workpiece. Water emerging from the nozzle have pressure of 60,000 pounds per square inch or 4,137 bar. This means that the pressure is over 400 times greater than the normal atmosphere pressure. Hard material cannot be machined with a simple water jet machine. This is only suitable for softer material such as rubber, ABS, leather, woods and plastic. In order to increase the machining capability of the jet, abrasive particles are mixed with the jet of water, which make abrasive hard materials such as aluminium, steel, granite and cast iron can be machined. Next is the main part of water jet machining and how it works. Firstly, you have a water reservoir. The function of water reservoir is store water in the reservoir for use as a jet. Next is a pump. The pump will take water from the reservoir and transfer it to the interceptor. The pump will create pressure in the water from 1500 to 400 bar. A 50 to 100 horsepower electric motor is used. The water jets in interceptor create a high pressure liquid jet is by increasing water jet pressure. The interceptor is connected to the accumulator. Water is taking a low pressure and expelled at high pressure through an accumulator. The mechanism works by hydraulic reciprocation. Next, the accumulator. In this part, water is temporarily stored in the accumulator. Several control valves are connected to the accumulator. By keeping the flow of high pressure water continuous, it eliminates pressure fluctuation. With the control valve, it can control both the amount and the pressure of water being passed. It directs the water to the flow regulator. Kinetic energy is then transferred from the pressure energy to the flow regulator. A flow regulator regulates the flow of water that reaches the control valve. By adjusting the flow regulator, water will be sent to the nozzle, where it will be transformed into a high velocity water. At nozzle, it produces high kinetic jet of water from high pressure. Since the nozzle area decreases at its end, this creates more kinetic energy. Finally, the water jet is direct at a piece. A stream of water will flow from the orifice when the water is directed by the nozzle. It is necessary to use high pressure tube to flow water under a high pressure. Tube typically range in size from 6 mm to 14 mm in the diameter. The cutting head can also move with a great flexibility. Finally, water is collected in the gutter or drain after the workpiece is cut. From here, the water may proceed from the further purification or be recirculated. So we move to the application of water machining in life. There are some applications can be used, that is cutting, drilling and deburring. Next is the advantage of water jet machining. First is capable of achieving high purification. Second is does not require coolant. Third, they are dust free. Besides, can achieve excellent surface finish and less expensive to operate. Last but not least is possible to produce a complex shape of any cut. So some the disadvantage of water jet machine is cannot be used for very thick material. Next is take much time and last is need high investment. So in conclusion, water jet machining is one of the machine that can be used by manufacturing industry produce the complex product which easier way. That's all from me. Thank you.